B flat major scale in two octaves on the violin. So we start with our lowest B flat, which is just a semitone or half step away from the note A. So this is B flat. Then you have C, open D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. In descending order, you have B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, and B flat. In solfa notation, your B flat is your do, then you have your re, mi, open D, your fa, your sol, your la, your si, which is the note A, open A, then do, your re, your mi, your fa, your sol, your la, your si, and then do. In descending order, you have your do, si, your la, sol, your fa, your mi, your re, your do, si, your la, your sol, fa, mi, re, and then do. I'll play the B flat major scale now in two octaves on the violin in both ascending and descending order. So that's your B flat major scale in two octaves on the violin in both ascending and descending order. You want to check the description section below for a free ebook to help you learn the B flat major scale in two octaves as well as other major scales on the violin. If you have a question or comment, drop it in the comment section below and I'll respond to them promptly. Do well to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Stay creative and we'll see you in the next video.